In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use file uploads in Microsoft Forms. A quick tutorial if you need respondents to attach documents, images, or other files right inside your form. This feature makes it simple and keeps everything organized for you. First, head to Microsoft Forms in your browser. You can open it from your Microsoft 365 app launcher or go directly if you've bookmarked it. Once you're in, either create a new form or open an existing one where you want to collect files. Give your form a clear title and description so people know exactly what they're uploading and why. That context reduces confusion and helps you receive the right files. Now add the upload question. Select Add New, then open the small drop-down arrow to see more question types and choose File Upload. Forms may display a note explaining that a secure folder will be created to store uploaded files. That's expected. Confirm it, and the system will handle storage automatically in the right place. Configure how many files each person can submit. You can allow up to 10 files per response. Pick a lower number when you only need a single item like a resume, and increase it if you're collecting multiple photos, screenshots, or supporting documents. Next, set the maximum size for each file. You'll see options for 10 MB, 100 MB, or 1 GB. Smaller sizes are great for standard documents and images and help keep storage use under control. Larger sizes are helpful if you expect videos or design files. Choose the smallest option that still fits your needs to keep uploads quick and reliable. Choose which file types you'll allow. You can keep it broad or restrict to categories like documents, images, videos, or spreadsheets. Tightening the allowed types helps prevent accidental uploads of unusable files and makes reviewing submissions faster. Behind the scenes, every file is stored in a dedicated folder. For personal forms, uploads go to your OneDrive for Business under a Microsoft Forms folder that's organized by form name and question. For group or team forms, files are saved to the associated SharePoint document library. A helpful tip: use a descriptive question title. Forms uses it to name the subfolder, which makes locating files much easier later. When you export responses to Excel, you'll see links pointing to the uploaded files in that folder. If you don't see the file upload option, make sure you're using a work or school account and that your form is limited to people in your organization. That's required for secure file collection. And that's it. Your file upload is ready to go and neatly managed for you.